I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. If you would like to quickly enable Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice and tap on Do Not Disturb right here. So as you can see right now, the Do Not Disturb is activated right here. And now if you would like to set up the Do Not Disturb, let's find and select the settings. Let me go back to the list of settings right here. Under sounds and notifications, choose Do Not Disturb. As you can see, Do Not Disturb is enabled and disabled by using this key. You can use also the schedule time to set up the time when Do Not Disturb should be activated. You can also use Do Not Disturb levels. For example, you can just allow alarms, you can allow nothing, or you can choose the priority rules. So here you can customize your priority, you can handle with some calls and messages from some favorite contacts. You can also handle with repeat callers right here. And basically that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.